Hello, good morning. I'm Leonardo Kipot Jr., 51 years old. I have over 12 years of experience as a ship fitter, pipe fitter, and mechanical fitter, working across various industries, including maritime, oil and energy, manufacturing, and construction. I have worked in the Philippines, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, contributing to major projects such as the Positive Corporation, Hamelmer Cool Flash Dryer Project, Saipem Taka, Al Rashid Company, and Alice G in Doha, specializing in the installation of fabrication of pipes, tanks, beams, and structural components. I have a strong background in reading isometric drawings, pipe threading, hydro testing, structural fitting, and safety procedures. I also hold certification in basic scaffoldings, pipe fittings and plumbing, and mandatory safety and health seminar for workers. I take pride in my commitment to safety, teamwork, and quality workmanship, and I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my skills and dedication to your team. Thank you.